Hey guys, AJ here. I'm gonna start doing this show where I talk about options every morning. I just got into options. My friends just got into options. We're like in this group text, constantly researching, constantly trying to, get a grasp under options. Doing it for a month, and it's been doing really well. So each show, I'm gonna give you my risk of the week on Monday. I'm gonna give you what I'm confident about this week, and then some other things to think about, along with some other options that I'm playing. So for one, my risk of the week is going to be Tesla. They split, so I'm hoping maybe people are going to buy a lot more of the stock because it's split. It's down from $2,300 down to 450. So maybe it skyrockets today or this week. I'm holding my option. It expires at the end of Friday until maybe Wednesday morning because as options each day goes by, options deteriorate. Secondly, I'm gonna get on Walmart, Microsoft in a second. Gonna hit them at the end here. Fastly. Fastly is a company that is a cloud computing company. 12% of the revenue comes from TikTok. They tanked after TikTok got banned. I purchased them on Friday. I thought they were going to keep going. They have a price target of 110. I got up $1,000 on Friday, thinking it was still going to run once it got to 99. It didn't. Still learning when to sell, so I'm shooting myself in the foot. But I'm hoping if the deal happens tomorrow, happens with TikTok this week with Microsoft or Walmart, that this goes back up. Square, I was reading there's a price target of 205 up from where it's at. This is a huge risk. Maybe it pans out, maybe it doesn't. Plug has a $15 target price. I think this maybe bounces back this week. We will see. If not, I will sell it. Peloton, they have earnings on 9/8 or 9/10. I expect a ton of hype around them until then because of how many people are purchasing this product due to coronavirus. Something to keep in mind here. Thinking about selling after earnings, even though I don't like doing that, is very risky, but I think Peloton has an opportunity to really kill earnings and really nothing negative about them. Then I have Grow. I made a ton of money off Grow a couple weeks ago. They skyrocketed, and now they're back on the map after Mike Kramer started talking about them. They have a price target of $25. That I'm giving that a couple weeks, so we'll see where that's at. Solo is a little risky. I took a while back. It's an electric vehicle maker. They're at like $299 right now or $285 or something. They have a price target of $5. I just purchased that. 918 gives some time to skyrocket. Blink, I'm a little upset about. They tanked after some reports of potential insider trading or some little scamming stuff happening inside of the company with the CEO and their leaders. No proof has been proven yet. They've been killing it. They went from $12 to $7 because of that news, but they just got $1 million contract and some other things happening, and I'm hoping by 918 this bounces back. As you can see, my Microsoft call here is already up $2,000. I purchased that a while back, a month ago, and I'm up $2,000. So I expect that to continue to rise. Microsoft and Walmart are the big news for me. There is reports that the TikTok deal of them purchasing TikTok could happen tomorrow. I don't know though. Last week they said 24 to 48 hours, and now that never happened. Now it's Tuesday. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. I might sell Microsoft today depending on which way it moves just to lock in on profits. But I do have another Microsoft call and a Walmart call, as you can see here. So here and here. So I'm hoping, and Fastly should bounce back after TikTok does get acquired. So, I have some little risk here and there, but just so you guys know, I don't really, I'm an aggressive person when it comes to stocks. So I believe if something's going to go some way, then, I'm going to do it. I'm going to put a lot of money in it. Probably, I put probably around $300 to $500 in each option here. So you're going to get a return. Secondly, things to watch out for. I'm going to look out for NVIDIA. I'm probably going to buy an option once the market opens in 3 minutes. And the reason for that is they have a conference tomorrow where they're going to release a groundbreaking product, supposedly. And what that means, they're going to completely crap on AMD, which is my favorite chip maker. I've been with them since 2014. I just believe in AMD. But the fact of the matter is, NVIDIA owns the market along with Intel. NVIDIA is going to drop something super groundbreaking tomorrow based off their headlines, and then follow up with that Intel the next day on Wednesday has their own meeting where they're releasing their Tiger chip to compete with AMD's chip, which has already proven that it's better. So I'm probably going to buy an option call for NVIDIA that expires this week. Gonna see maybe a little bump based off of what they announce. But I think maybe on Thursday after Nvidia's meeting on Tuesday and Intel's meeting on Wednesday, I'm also going to buy an option put for AMD because I think AMD gets affected by this. They've already got some heat over the past couple of weeks for being overpriced. And then I think after that happens, AMD tanks a little. I think Nvidia goes back up, so I might be selling Nvidia on Thursday, day before expiration. I know a little risky, but just playing the field right now. Just letting you guys know a little insight on what me and my group are doing. But again, looking forward to continue making these episodes. If you guys like what I'm doing, comment and like below. I'm going to try and give you like my risks, my risk takers, what I have in my portfolio, and what I'm thinking about doing. But that's all for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one tomorrow morning.